I'd like to present you a family of advanced ultrasonic instruments, Sonacon B and Sonacon BL. Both devices can have switchable software, making them ultrasonic flood detectors or a scan thickness gauges with advanced capabilities of corrosion mapping. Main difference between those instruments in their form factor. Sonacon B is small and lightweight, 2 pounds or 950 grams only. It perfectly fits in hand. Can be operated both by left and right hand. Sonacon B is one of the most comfortable instruments for in-field use when inspector has to move much. Sonacon BL is intended for more stable use. Due to the rubber corners and folding handle, it can be safely placed both on a table and on various testing objects. It even can be hanged if necessary. Still, Sonacon BL can be used as portable, being fixed with straps on the operator's chest. It has a reasonable weight of 3.7 pounds or 1.7 kilograms in plastic case and 5.3 pounds and 2.4 kilograms in metal case. Let's now review the Sonacon B appearance, ports and controls.
Here you can find its dimensions and weight. On the front panel we can find 4.5 inches high contrast color TFT display, 4 LEDs, 1 for second function button state indication, 2 defect detection alarm LEDs and 1 acoustic coupling control indicator, and 18 buttons oil and petrol proof keyboard with individual backlight of buttons. On the customer's request, one of 2 keyboard versions can be supplied, American or international style. On the left panel, the raw power supply and headphones connectors, and the power on-off button. On the right panel, we can find scanner connector with 2-axis encoder input and 3 programmable alarm analog outputs, and probe connectors, pulsar and receiver for dual element probes. For single element probes, the upper connector becomes combined pulsar and receiver. On the top panel, a built-in calibration block is placed. Its thickness 0.2 inches or 3 mm depending on the regional standards. On the bottom panel you can find the removable battery compartment cover with an 8 hours rechargeable battery under it. The rear panel of the instrument includes the flood detector nameplate with the serial number, name, manufacturing date, etc. Special Ethernet connector for service purposes and USB-A port for connection of the external devices. Let's now review the Sonacon BL appearance, ports and controls. Here you can see its dimensions and weight. On the front panel we can find 7.2 inches high contrast color TFT display, 4 LEDs having same designation as in Sonacon B, and 22 buttons oil and petrol proof keyboard, which includes 18 buttons main keyboard, 3 duplicating buttons for convenient two-hand operation, and a power on-off button. On the customer's request, one of 2 keyboard versions can be supplied, American or international style. On the left panel, the raw power supply connector. On the right panel, we can find RJ45 LAN connector for service purposes, USB-A port for connection of the external devices, and micro SD memory card port. On the top panel, a built-in calibration block is placed. Its thickness is same as in Sonacon B. Also, in the special recess, the most frequently used connectors are situated. Probe connectors, pulsar and receiver for dual element probes. For single element probes, one of connectors becomes combined pulsar and receiver. Scanner connector with 2-axis encoder input and 3 programmable alarm analog outputs. A headphones connector. On the rear panel, the removable battery compartment cover with an 8 hours rechargeable battery under it is placed.
Folding handle has 3 stable positions: stowed, middle position for placing Sonacon BL on horizontal and quasi-horizontal surfaces, and upper position for carrying and hanging the instrument.